everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to do a quick video on a DIY fragrance bag slash incense bag slash potpourri in a way of whatever you would call these. I got this idea from I think Jennifer Marin, and she basically took the Bolero bath soaks or bath salts or whatever you want to call them, and choose whatever scent you wanted, which I chose the French lavender citrus. And I found these organza bags. It's in the party section where the baby section is at. And I filled them up. There's different sizes. You could do like half a bag or a full bag, however you feel. And then you close it up, you tie it. And you can stick this in your purse, in your car, in your sock drawer, anywhere you desire to put it. And this is just like a long-lasting scent. And I thought it was a pretty good idea. So I'm going to put one in my purse, one in my car, one in my sock drawer, that kind of thing. So I thought this was really good, and you can't beat that for $2. $1 for this and $1 for that. And it looks like I've already made 3 bags. It looks like I could probably make 3 or 4 more, and that's a pretty good deal. So hit up your Dollar Tree, pick out whatever bath soak scent you like, and then pick up these bags and you can make your own. So yeah, thank you for tuning in, watching my channel. Hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.